Hey everybody, today we're going to try TruMoo Orange Scream. That's right, it's fall, and so they're basically unloading fall products on the market right now. And here it is, only September. What we have here is apparently a monster's hand, or fingers, or it looks like Frankenstein in the background, but his hand looks like a claw. And then a depiction of what appears to be milk, orange flavored, or orange creamsicle flavor, or orange cream flavor, or what have you. Oh, it says orange cream flavored, low fat milk. No artificial growth hormones, and no high fructose corn syrup. On the back is the same thing. Then it says, let's take a look real quick here. It says, TruMoo Orange Cream flavored low-fat milk is a ghoulishly, it's a goulicious, okay, treat without the tricks. It's simple. We start with low-fat white milk that gives you the nutrition you need every day. We add orange cream flavor and just enough sugar for that general orange cream, for that great orange cream taste you love. It's delicious and nutritious orange cream flavored low-fat milk. That's why we call it TruMoo. Then there's 3 questions, joke questions obviously, but we have nutrition facts, and let's go with those real quick. It says 8 servings per container, serving size 1 cup, which would be about 8 ounces. Calories 140, calories from fat 2.5 grams, saturated fat 1.5 grams, trans fat 0 grams, cholesterol 15 milligrams, sodium 120 milligrams, total carbohydrates 22 grams, dietary fiber 0 grams, total sugars 20 grams, includes 9 grams of added sugars, and 8 grams of protein. And then there's a gigantic list of vitamins and minerals. Vitamin D, calcium, iron, potassium, vitamin A, riboflavin, folate, vitamin B12, and phosphorus. Once again, TruMoo Orange Cream. And it has bats and what appears to be a Frankenstein monster and some type of purplish green claw hand. Now obviously, once we open this, it's probably going to have one of those tabs. So I'm going to have to set it down here. Open up the side cap. There's that tab. And I did shake it up before I opened it. So I think we're okay. There's that tab. Yep. That's actually a very powerful orange cream flavor. But we have our old trusty glass here. And we pour. And it's definitely an orangish white coloration. Let me set that down real quick. Put the lid back on. And we'll park that down here. Go back to the glass. And we'll get ready for that whiff test. Get all the bad air out. The bare air. Okay. Now remember, TruMoo is actually made by a company in Texas. So here's to Texas. Definitely a really not so much as a rich orange cream scent, but it's very subtle, almost similar in scent to the lightness of a chocolate milk. Not overpowering, very subtle. Now let's give it a shot. That's not bad. In fact, that's very good. I was taking into consideration maybe trying it with some type of cereal. Might do that later. Look at that orange cream flavor. I wonder if that would actually work. And I'm thinking about making popsicles out of it. I'm not sure. Usually, in the freezing process, water separates from the milk, and so there's like this cap about so big. Well, it depends on your frozen popsicle. There's usually a water cap about that tall, and the rest of it is milk, frozen. Maybe a couple more. hmm Awesome. Okay. What do we think of TruMoo orange cream flavored milk? I'm going to give it a thumbs up, just on the basis of the flavor and the novelty of it, and because it's got it's actually an October design, but this is September. But they gotta pump out those products as fast as they can for all those sales. It doesn't matter what company it is. But Dean Foods on your TruMoo, thumbs up overall. And with that, I'm gonna park this down here again. That's the end of the video. Like and subscribe. Share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.